Well, welcome to the American Express British Summertime Super Spreader COVID event. No, it's great. It's great. I've spent a nice sort of week on and off in England. There's so much going on in England, you know. It's great. You've got London Pride, you know. Formula One, Wimbledon. I mean, I went to see Adele yesterday. She's really an amazing singer, but I have actually more sparkly dresses than she does. I'd like to introduce the band. First up, I want to introduce you to Mr. Bernard Fowler. Right behind him, Miss Sasha Allen. On the saxophone, Tim Venice. On the tenor, Carl Denson. On the keyboards, Matt Clifford. On the drums, Steve Jordan. On the keyboards, Chuck Lavelle. On the bass, Daryl Jones. And now on the guitar, the Warhol of Westminster, the Botticelli of Belgravia, on the guitar, Ronnie Wood. He's behind his set list, he's got a young family to support. And now on the guitar and the vocals, all the way from Dartford, Keith Richards.
And I know everywhere else, on our wonderful island. And it's great to be back, I tell you. I didn't know it until I got there. It's great.